It does not matter where you are right now or who you have been. If you have faith and a relentless desire to succeed, you can really achieve anything in this world. Have faith. You will be great, and go get it.
Okay, this is a very special video today. Okay, this is going to be our first gender series, and this is going to be for those people who are perhaps a little bit older, knees, backs, hips issues, and for anybody a little bit older who's trying to get themselves fit, this is for you. Okay, we're going to keep it nice and easy, nice and simple today, and we're going to start with a walk on the spot. Let's go. Okay, we're going to keep it nice and loose, nice and simple. That's walking on the spot. Okay. If nothing else, this would be a great small workout to do as an elongated warm-up. Okay, so we're going to get the body warm, walking on the spot. All right. This is going to make the people here smile because I don't normally do these kind of workouts. Okay, we're all going to do this one. Get nice and warmed up because it's a bit of a chilly winter day today. All right, here we go, guys. We're going to side step foot to foot. That's right. Okay, I'm aerobics guy today. Side to side step. Good. Please note, I'm stepping to the right, bringing my left foot in, left foot to right foot. So I'm stepping to the right and bringing my left foot to my right foot. We got this going on over the other side of it, okay? 1 and 2. That's it. Keep it nice and loose, nice and easy, okay? Let your arms naturally swing. They're all giggling at me, okay? We're normally doing burpees at this point. Alright guys, so we're going to go to a back step. Straight up, just step to the back. Get a little pop in the step. Trust me, one day this will be difficult. Good, so this is the rhythm. Okay, so I'm just stepping back. Just keep that going, nice and light. Very gentle lunge. Okay, high knee walk. Okay, we're lifting the knee up to the front. Alternate hand to knee. Girlfriend's laughing at me. That's because she remembers me practicing this. I won't tell you where. But let's just say somebody was giggling a lot. Here we go. Good. Please remember, guys, some people have said that the sound in the videos isn't always great. That's because we like to do them on to music. It's a break time up. Okay? You're getting older. If you can't hear the sound, just put on some of your own music, turn the sound off, and just follow along, okay? All the workouts we do are in real time. You guys are doing awesome. Alright, butt kicks. Keep it loose. 1, heel to the hand, okay? Okay? Keep your knees back. You can keep it as gentle as you like. You don't have to kick your own butt. Just 1 to the other. Should be getting warmer now. Get a little rhythm, little rock from one foot to the other. Yeah, be an aerobics instructor. Everybody, let's go, huh? Huh? You mean Mr. Motivator? MMT Motivation. Alright, good. We're going to do a jab cross. Straight to the front. Just nice and light. Elbows in. Punch. Good. Okay, elbows up. Elbows in. Keep it light. Be nice and loose, but bob in the hip. Okay? Let's get our hips on. Good. It's got smiling faces. Nobody's puffing yet, though. I bet you want to The uppercuts. That's it. Good. All you need is rhythm. Ah, crap. White man dancing. All right, go to gentle squats. Good, just a mid-level squat, not a full squat. That's it guys, keep it going. Just a gentle squat, sit back, back straight, head up. Toes and heels in line. And let's walk. Really good everybody. So there you go, that's our first of our gentle workout series. This could be a workout you can do for an extended warm-up. This could be a workout for if it's a day after a serious workout day, because you're aching. Or of course, this could be for anyone who's just getting into fitness, just trying to build up. Thanks a lot guys, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and a big shout out to the PTC guy who let me do this video today, so thank you very much. Take it easy. If it's Christmas still, have a good Christmas. If it's not, don't mind me saying it. Have a good day.
Excuses are for the weak. Responsibility is for the strong. Today is the day you give up the story you made up about why you aren't there yet, the story you made up about why you can't do it, the story you made up about why you are not good enough. Today, you will give up that story.